Shalom, this is Yehudit Gevurah, now in the Hula Valley, and I'd like to share with you the movements for today, the second day of Sukkot, and the 7th day of the 49-day count preparation for Sigd, which is the Ethiopian holiday commemorating Moses bringing the tablets down from Mount Sinai, and also a community building time of commitment to the Torah and Judaism. So for Sukkot count, each day of Sukkot has a different energy to it, starting with Chesed, which was yesterday, which was the day of Abraham Avinu. Today is associated with Yitzhak and energy of Gevurah. So how I've been embodying this is using the nikudah that correspond to the lower 7 sefirot on the Kabbalistic Tree of Life. Sigd was for Chesed and still is part of the counting. We'll do the second part of the tape on the 7th day of the first week of all of which is Chesed. On the 49-day count, that's the color system I'm using today, is the purple again for the whole week of Chesed, that first week, brown for Malkhut for the 7th day, the rainbow system, and I'm wearing blue here and a blue scarf for the second day of Sukkot, the energy of Gevurah. Again, the rainbow system has it as blue. So let's start. We'll start with the Sukkot. The nikudah for Sukkot is Cheshvan. It's bringing your hands up, one hand above the other to make 2 dots for the Shvat. Na is when you used to say eh, make a short sound and stop. Eh. The energy of the second day. That's the 3. And then when we invite the different guests for our sukkah, we start with that day that it is, and then we invite all the others. So we did 3 for Yitzhak, and we go back to Abraham, which is the Sigd. Go forward with the Holam to Yaakov. O. And then Netzach is Moshe Rabbeinu. E. Erik. And then the Kibbutz for Hod for Aaron the high priest. U. And then we have Yesod is Yosef, foundation, connectedness, communication. And Malkhut, King David, is being present, being breathed by Hashem. So just wait for the breath. Let Hashem breathe. And then close and just let that all come through. And he breathes, he feels centered and grounded, knees slightly bent. So this was the second day, is the second day of Sukkot. And then for honoring the other count, we're in the 7th day of the 49 days in preparation for Sigd. So Malkhut and Chesed. So what I do for this is I step to the side. Well, let's first do a Zion for 7. Few Zions. And then Malkhut is being breathed, so I step to the side, let myself be breathed, one breath for Malkhut, and then Chesed, Sigd. One level, a level of nefesh, physical level, or in community, the physical level of our community. Ruach, level of soul. We first let the breath come, and then Sigd. And the third level, the neshama, corresponding to the intellectual level. Ruach is the emotional level. Breath. And Chesed, openness, loving kindness. And close. So as I mentioned on the last tape, my sense of the counting that I'm doing of the 49 days with the sefirot, as I do for the Omer count, difference here is I'm focusing more on the community extension, because Sigd is a community holiday and celebration of a large community, so that I bless us that in our communities that we can get in touch with how we can manifest Chesed in our community on the physical level of loving kindness in terms of our actions with each other, on an emotional level of a sense of acceptance and loving kindness and a recognition of the value of each person, and on the intellectual level, that whatever that manifests as how you image your purpose of your community and how it comes together, your organization, all of those things. So I bless us that we are more connected and feel a sense of community in our lives, even as we work individually on our own midot, on our own way of manifesting the loving kindness within our life. So all blessings to you on this second day of Sukkot and the 7th day of the 49-day count.